So Rinku, you will have to speak on the topic legend for a few minutes. Your time starts now.
So today's our topic is legends, and the legends. This is in Marathi called the Dantakatha. Uh, I never heard about complete legends, but I have no lots of idea about that. But I searched this topic on the Google and clear some concepts. Legends means the story of past and story of past or the time of ancient period that is delivered from generation to generation by the human being or other some techniques. In this story, some stories are real or some are we don't know this is real or fake, but and the legends is a story on that the many peoples believed on that but cannot prove this is true or false. The people tells us about the famous event or the famous person in their time. uh, Legends is the traditional story or a group of stories that is told us about the particular person or a place. Legends means the tale about a saint or a greatest personality in the past. Then legends resembles about the folk tales and in content they may include supernatural beings, elements of mythology means Puranic Katha, or explanation of the natural phenomenon. They are told about the matter of history. The legends are very uh, important for the children's today children's because uh, uh, today generation children's are not known about the mythology and the history of the past, and through the legends we develop the children's historical and cultural idea. They are clear the concept of their past or mythology, and they help to them to celebrate the historical events. Sometimes legends don't have the evidence to prove their story. Uh, some legend stories with an element of truth, and it is usually has a roots in the historical event, and legends are never die. It is a past always in the next generation, because today's generation no person are present there, because we now we don't say that this is a exactly true or false. So then legend person is a person who is alive and either famous, doing something extremely well, as well as he is a very famous. um, like we now we see the mini serials on the television that is uh, tells us about the past, like the uh, Shivaji Maharaj serial, Jhansi Ki Rani. Then like that, mini serials are available, and these legends are told us about the how was their environment, or uh, uh, many things that are we now we have, but we don't clear behind their concept. So legends is a larger than life history story, and that get passed down from generation to next generation. Legends have a high value because they represent the thoughts, and they the humanity growth because of legends. This is not only for the entertainment, but from there we have a knowledge of this thing. There are many legends. It involves many unheard story for our knowledge. Then some stories are very interesting, like the evolution of man history. How was their village life? Then how was our India independent from the Britishers, like that. Some examples of legends like the Ali Baba, the Fountain of Youth, and Atlantis, Kraken, like that. Some stories are about the real and others are not. The purpose of legends is to teach a lesson about the real personality, history, and legends have flexible guidelines. uh, uh, in the school we are in the history book, uh, we learn the many legend stories, uh, but now I don't remember this. So that's it, sir.
Very good, Rinku. You have spoken almost 6 minutes